Okay, so I'm just gonna put our raise our subframe. Okay. So I think all the underneath stuff are done. So we're gonna lower the vehicle and then let's start our outer tie rod stabilizer link and our right side drive shaft axle nut. Okay, so I'm just gonna lower the car. I will do all the stuff at the bottom. Um, we'll do everything, whatever is left and underneath the hood. So we're here now, the engine bay. So we're just gonna put this guy here. So I'm just gonna put our ground for the transmission, our crank sensor. It's all the way in there, right? our bolts, our what do you call that? Bolt bracket for this coolant hose. What else? The connection on this guy. I think that's it. And then we put our airbox, battery tray, and battery. Hello. Okay, so sorry for the delay. I was trying to figure out how the hoses connects to our radiator, right? So let me continue. Okay, last one before we program or start the vehicle. I'm just gonna line this up again. Alright guys, so we're here now. We're gonna do the all pressure characteristics. So I'm just gonna go automatic and then all pressure characteristic input. Okay, so we just press OK there. So they're gonna tell you that it's either you use this tablet to scan the barcode or the QR code. And sometimes it's hiding, right? So I just took a picture. We're just gonna do manual. And then we're gonna start inputting our numbers there. Okay, so once you input everything, just double check, but let's say you had a wrong number, it won't go through. So I don't know how they figured that out. And we're just gonna wait. So now it's written. I'm just gonna press OK.
You need to put your suction fin for gear oil. Thank you.
Okay, and then we'll just reset the adaptive values. Press OK. Reset. OK. 5 seconds. Back on. Okay. So I'm just gonna go through to our DTC. Just double check. We don't have codes there, right? Okay, that's good. So I'm just gonna start the vehicle. So we have to let the transmission oil warm up. I believe I have a video on that, on how to check on these models, on these Hyundai vehicles, to check the level. So we're just gonna go test drive for it while waiting for that oil temp to go up, and then we're gonna check the level, and that's about it. So we'll see if all the driving is good and no leaks. Alright guys, so I've been driving the vehicle. So far everything is shifting good. It's upshifting from first, second, third, fourth, right? And it's doing downshifting too. So far our oil temp right now is at 48 degrees Celsius. So I'll be waiting for that until it hits 60 minimum, and then I'm just gonna go back to the shop and recheck everything, check our oil level. So far, you know, the transmission is driving fine. So we're just gonna go to a parking spot, because when we had a car, it was jolting or jerking when changing from park to reverse or park to drive. So I'm just gonna pull over here near after this ramp, and then we'll try that if we don't feel that. So that's it. Okay, so right now we're in parking. I'm just gonna put in park first. And let's go reverse. So far, no jolting there. I'm gonna put in park again. And then let's put in drive. Yeah, so far it's good. Put in drive. Yeah. Put in reverse. Yeah. So that's it, guys. So I hope you enjoyed that very long process or very long video. I'll make sure that it has a good editing. That's it. So I hope you enjoyed that video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Thank you for watching.